Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to manage or hide your recently played history on Spotify. The first method you can use is private session. This prevents any new songs you play from being saved to your history, affecting your recommendations or showing up on your profile. First you have to open the Spotify app. Then you have to click on your profile picture at the top left corner. Now click on settings and privacy. Now click on privacy and social, and at the top you can see the private session. Once you turn it on, anything you listen to will not show up in your recently played or affect your music recommendations. Now for the second method, you have to stay in the privacy and social section, and just under the private session you can see listening activity and recently played artists. Once you turn both of them off, anything you are listening to will not show up to your friends or followers. And this is it. I hope this helped, and thanks for watching.